Okay, for the iron loss tester, actually we have a few settings here. We need to see the code here. So for the iron loss tester, we have induction range of the 0.1 to 1 Tesla under BS1 category. BS2 category is a 1 to 1.5. BS3 is a 1.5 to 1.9 Tesla. Okay, then the switch is at the back. So now I switch on. Okay, now I switch on. And then, okay, so we have a display, then we have a watt per kilogram. Watt per kilogram is actually the nominal power loss. Then make sure this knob is not in touch with the steel. Just put on the table first. Okay, and then, yeah, so we have a notepad here. This is the setting. For example, now I need to test the okay, how to operate it first. For example, I want to set something. I need to keep pressing function FUC. So I press 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 2 time. So the first time we can set which category we want and also what Tesla we need to output. Second one is the thickness of the steel. Okay, so for example, I want to test a grain with a 0.3 mm thickness steel with maybe 0.8 Tesla. So now I need to check where is 0.8 Tesla. It is under BS1. So I need to set BS1. Okay. So the first thing is I press function until I get in a Tesla. So now it is a BS1. Okay. If it is not BS1, let's say now it is a BS3. So I need to change to BS1. BS1. Then now it's a 0.8 Tesla. What I need to do is I use 0.8. I input like this, and then I press enter. Then I make sure the thickness is 0.3 mm. After that, I'll try to put my device, this one, to here. Oh, no. Okay. And then make sure the arrow is to this axis or to this axis. We have a one axis, two axis. Okay, we have a one direction, two direction. Make sure measure one direction and then second direction. Okay. For example, if let's say I measure the horizontal direction like this, and then I put here, then oh yeah, I need to press enter. So the value will change to 0.746 watt per kilogram. If I change the position, it may be different. It's 0.469. So you can keep on repeating that. Okay? Now I put back my knob inner on the table. After that, if I want to measure maybe 1.6 Tesla for the same specimen, what I need to do is I go to function. I change, because 1.6 Tesla is under BS3. So I change to BS3. Okay, function, make sure it is in Tesla. Then I need to change to BS3. Okay, then I want 1.6, right? I press 1.6 and then I enter. Done. Then I put my controller, I put my measuring instruments in on the sheet, a metal sheet. Okay, then I'll get the reading. Then I change the position again. Then I'll get another reading. Okay? So I put back on the table. And then now I finish, so I switch off it.